The universe is governed by laws. These laws govern the motion of planets, the birth of stars, and even the behavior of the smallest particles. For centuries, humans have strived to understand these laws, and now we have built machines that can learn, machines that can think. Artificial intelligence. AI is no longer a figment of science fiction. It's here, it's real, and it's changing our world. AI is making its mark in every field imaginable. Imagine a world where machines can help us write stories, compose music, and even create entire films. This isn't science fiction, it's the future that's rapidly approaching. This is both exciting and daunting, a future filled with both immense potential and unknown challenges. But one thing is certain, AI is here to stay, and its impact on content creation will be nothing short of revolutionary. Imagine a world where you could describe an image, and a machine would create it for you. Or input a few keywords, and an AI generates a logo for your brand. This is the power of AI content creation tools. These tools make the creative process easier and faster. AI logo generators analyze your input and generate countless unique options. No longer do you need to be a design expert. With AI, the power is at your fingertips. AI writing generators transform the way we write. They generate anything from social media captions to full articles. Adapting to different styles and formats, they are versatile tools. The possibilities are truly limitless. Across the digital landscape, a silent revolution is brewing. Content creators, from seasoned professionals to aspiring artists, are turning to AI tools in droves. This surge in popularity is fueled by a potent cocktail of factors. Firstly, AI tools offer unparalleled convenience. In a world where time is of the essence, these tools provide a much-needed shortcut to content creation. They streamline the creative process, allowing creators to bypass tedious tasks and focus on the bigger picture. The ability to generate high-quality content quickly and efficiently is a game-changer for individuals and businesses alike. Secondly, AI tools democratize creativity. No longer is the ability to create compelling content limited to those with years of experience or specialized skills. With AI, anyone can unleash their inner artist, writer, or musician. This opens up a world of possibilities for aspiring creators from all walks of life. Section 4. YouTube creators, embracing the AI revolution. The world of YouTube, a platform built on creativity and innovation, has not been immune to the AI wave. Savvy creators are leveraging AI tools to enhance their content, streamline their workflow, and reach new heights of success. Take, for instance, the use of AI-powered video editing software. These tools can analyze raw footage and automatically edit it into a polished final product, complete with transitions, music, and special effects. This allows creators to focus more on filming engaging content and less on the technical aspects of video editing. Moreover, AI tools are proving invaluable for tasks like generating video ideas, writing scripts, and even creating subtitles in multiple languages. This not only saves time and resources, but also allows creators to cater to a wider audience. The result? More engaging content, higher viewership, and ultimately, greater success on the platform. Section 5. The future of content creation. A fusion of human and artificial intelligence. The future of content creation is not about machines replacing humans, but about humans and machines working together, each amplifying the other's strengths. Imagine a world where AI can generate the initial draft of a script, but a human writer shapes it, imbues it with emotion, and adds the nuanced touches that only a human can. This collaborative approach will lead to a new era of content creation, one where the lines between human and artificial creativity become increasingly blurred. We'll see content that's more engaging, more personalized, and more innovative than ever before. The possibilities are as vast and unexplored as the cosmos itself. This future, however, is not without its challenges. As AI becomes more sophisticated, we must grapple with questions of ownership, bias, and the very nature of creativity. Who owns the copyright to content created by AI? How do we ensure that AI-generated content is free from the biases that plague human creativity? These are complex questions with no easy answers. This future, however, is not without its challenges. As AI becomes more sophisticated, we must grapple with questions of ownership, bias, and the very nature of creativity. Who owns the copyright to content created by AI? How do we ensure that AI-generated content is free from the biases that plague human creativity? These are complex questions with no easy answers.